Let's get this rolling. What up, yo? And we're back again, yo. We're back again. We're back again. We're back again. We're on our streak, huh? We're on the streak. We are on a streak. No. Back to back to back. Back to back to back. Okay. Alright, what are we gonna do tonight? It is. I was kind of skeptical on doing a stream tonight because we do have NFP tomorrow. So, like, it could be a dry session, but we'll see what happens tonight. If I had to give you guys any advice, I would probably say just rip evals for the night. Especially if you made money in the New York AM session today. If you made money in New York, just trade evals. Also, if you're planning on doing one shot, one kills for NFP tomorrow, Apex is 90% off. You can do it with any of those accounts. Lucid's 50% off. Do it with the pro accounts. And Tradeify, you can do it with the growth accounts. What's forming on gold? I don't have anything on gold, bro. You gotta have a 90-minute sequential and then we can do something. Yo, you see indices, bro? NQ got fucking smoked. Look at that shit. Like, what the fuck? NQ died. We literally gave back the entire morning move. 909. Bro, we got fucking clapped. We gave it right back. After running out those London highs. Oh, 9. My feeling when I saw you in that life. Yo, if you guys have the forever model indicator and you guys are wondering what my indicator that I use right now, because I'm pretty sure this isn't available anymore. If you guys have my forever model indicator, I'm literally having it being corrected to look exactly like this. It's going to be exactly like this. It's going to be exactly like this. Brandon! Yo, hop on Discord, bro. Here, give me, actually, I'll get my water bottle in a second. Give me like 5 minutes. Feeling when I saw you in that light. I gotta make these goals more. I was like, yeah, 50 reactions in 30 minutes. Like, what the fuck was I thinking? 30 minutes. You guys got that shit in like 5. What do I tell my barber if I want that time? Oh, you fuck with the haircut? It's like a burst fade. Burst fade? It is like a burst fade. Oh. How's the daily look on? What are your guys' anticipation for NFP? I think metals clear out this low. I think this previous weekly low looks good. It's a weekly two-stage. I think this low on metals is like low hanging fruit. In my opinion, I think this is low hanging fruit on metals. I just wish it was like shorts from a key level. I wish this was an SMT here. I think we get volatile. Yeah, me too. Lick it, lick it. What else is there? There's an SMT. Oh, there's an SMT here too. I think that this is the draw either tomorrow or moving into the next week. While I wait for BM, I'm going to get my water bottle. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I'm back. Wet you wet. Okay, what did you guys do? You guys do anything? Took the 15 minutes to 30-minute shorts on gold, and New York wasn't bad at all. New York was beautiful today. Waiting for Brandon. Call me on Discord whenever. Best bye. Late reply. I think that they're probably gonna. I think gold or silver is probably gonna go up to these highs, right? I think one of them is gonna take this out. On the late. I think we're gonna go up here. If we had a 90-minute SMT, I would have taken this. Or maybe we could make one and be longer. If we make one at 9 o'clock. I think that they're going to run up to these highs. These relative equals. This looks like it can go to here. Yeah, no, do your thing, bro. Anyway. On that. Screenshot while you can. It's right here. Pause the video. Screenshot. Go back. Whatever you want to do. It's right there. I think the next 90-minute candle, if we get a sequential SMT, then we could take a long on gold. Unless you want to take it from here. I need a sequential SMT to take the trade. Bro, go back, rewind, and then go look. You know you can pause the live, right? Rewind the live. It's a SMT divergence between consecutive 90-minute candles. If I'm on the 5-minute, I'm looking for a SMT divergence between the consecutive 90-minute candles. Damn, they really took off that fucking... Can't you go back? It's right here. I answer this question way too much. But if you have the forever model indicator, an update is coming that will literally mimic this exact same indicator. It's right here. CD underscore quarterly cycles underscore SSMT underscore... I hate reading it off. So see here, guys, how... well, actually, this is between platinum, but in reality, it should be between silver. Each box represents a 90-minute candle formation. A sequential SMT is when it happens between consecutive candles that form. So I'm looking for the consecutive candle cracking correlation to occur at the next 90-minute candle, which happens at 9 o'clock. But I do think that the easy draw on liquidity will be these highs on gold. On gold, and then if whatever asset can reach up here first. Up there. I don't think that you can get this on top step. Prison rules. Ba, ba, ba. Do I copy trade accounts? Yeah, yeah. I'm actually, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm copy trading. I'm gonna do some Apex accounts for the data release. And I picked up 10 50K end of day drawdown. They're 90% off right now still with code Sniper. So if you guys want to pick some up and try and pass some accounts for NFP tomorrow, rip it up. Does this SMT thing work on Nasdaqistan? It works on everything, brother. Full porting doesn't work nowadays, but the day that I don't try it is the day that it's going to work. So I'm literally going to do it every single time. I stream after NFP. I won't take trades on my funded until 9:15. Like the stream, like the stream, like the stream. Like the stream. Sweep the funk, hype the funk. I trade Nasdaq, I'll trade metals. Indices and metals is what I'll trade during New York AM. What is that alert? I'm waiting until 9 o'clock, guys, for this on gold. I want to see 90-minute SMT at the lows. Yeah, you gotta just ignore the ones that show with platinum. Literally just ignore it. If Nasdaq's not looking good, then I'll trade metals. If metals don't look good, I'll trade indices. You guys know the drill. There's a little 4-hour bullish fair value gap here on gold. A little 4-hour gap. SMT inside of that gap. There's a IFVG here too, aligned with the order block. It'd be nice to see gold go higher from here. I love to get on. I love to get you on. How did you guys do today? Trading. I don't trade currencies. Bias, I'm looking for longs. I think longs are the play. Longs to 45, 10.3. I thought that New York session was so nice. Yeah, if you guys want to try a stab on gold from the 4-hour order block here with the IFVG too, stop at the low, targeting these highs, you could shoot that. For the big boys. Which Apex accounts most like? I would do the 50K, the 50K end of day drawdown. Right now, Lucid's got 50% off on the first 2 accounts. With code Sniper, if you want to do that. Yeah, I live alone. I lived with 4 other roommates in my last house, which was hectic as fuck. Oh, wow. I like this this long on gold right now. SMT down here. This should go to these highs. I think gold looks so much better than indices right now. Much better. Yes, you can. You can get instant accounts for 50% off. Or the direct accounts. Ooh, yeah, it'll close it at PSP. Maybe we get 2-stage too at the lows. If we can get the hourly candle on silver to run the next hourly candle low, then we'll have a 2-stage. And then we can long it. That would be fire. I think that would be really good. Or if you guys want to long right now, I don't really care. It's up to you guys. I'm waiting for the new hourly candle. Do I have tattoos on my chest? I have tattoos up to this on my arm. Like it goes all the way up here. And then on my ribs, I have a piece. And then I have a piece here. And then I have my knee and my thigh done. Outside of that, I just have like these other pieces on my arm. And that's really about it. The ribs fucking kill. It's like the worst fucking pain. Actually, no. The worst pain ever is this, dude. This is the worst pain. The knee. This is fucking horrible. This was the worst pain tattoo I've ever had in my life. Oh, I got you, Brandon. Yo.
Yo.
What up?
What's good, my guy?
How we doing?
Shit, man, I was relaxing and popped in. I was like, alright, let's get busy, man.
Yeah, no, you said Asia tonight, so I was like, I was debating on not doing it, but then I was like, I'm on a streak. I might as well fucking.
Oh yeah.
I might as well send it.
What you looking at right now? I just came on.
Gold, dude. There's a gold tagged a 4-hour gap.
Right.
Hourly is about to close the PSP. Could get a 2-stage with the next hourly candle on silver running the previous one from 8. So
okay.
I'm looking to see if we can run longs on gold to the relative equal highs above. And silver's got relative equal highs as well.
Gap too.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice little open low, daily 1800, 4-hour gap would be nice.
Yeah, I think this could be good.
Nice. How's everything going? You chilling, bro?
Yeah, no, everything's good, dude. Dude, oh my god, I literally caught the entire daily expansion on RTY today.
Dude, I took yo, I'm not gonna lie, this week has been like, aside from me, I would definitely say aside from Wednesday I came out on top, but bro, I'd be lying if I said, you know who, talking on news didn't screw me over at first, bro. But yeah, bro, it's been a very blessed week, bro. This week's price tag has actually been like, even though it's like kind of seeking the stories, it's been very great, bro. A lot to move and capitalize. Very good.
He's
Double voice. Damn, bro, why is my voice always echoing?
Hold on. Let me see how it sounds on my thing.
Yeah, let me hear it right now. Yeah, let me see.
Hold on. Of course, I fucking have to watch an ad.
Dude has ads on his own stream.
I'm not even monetized. Oh, it is echoed. Fuck. I'm not even monetized.
Is it crazy?
Of course, I fucking have to watch an ad. No, it's not even crazy, guys.
I think you know what I think it is, bro. I think they're misconstruing your speakers because your speakers are probably right here. I think they're misconstruing now, just the way it sounds, bro.
The speaker, like your voice comes through that speaker, which hits my mic, which they hear.
Yeah, that's what I think is happening.
That's how it is. Oh shit, yo, we just got a fucking Drizzy Drake candle there. We have. I wish that happened right at the 9 o'clock open. Let's see, actually. This would be really good if this next 9 o'clock candle opens low. And then we can get a 2-stage. But then I also want to see the hourly candle on gold also close bullish.
No. Saying Halo, this guy. Let's see what's going on. NSC's had a nice little bearish move here.
Dude, I literally hopped on the charts and the whole move that was given for New York, he gave right back.
So nice. Gotta love the Trump market, bro.
5, 4, 3, 2. All right, so it's not closing as a PSP, but we do have now a 90. So oh my god, we're fucking. Wow.
Yeah, we have a little bit of a 30-minute S&P fell silver at that high too.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're fall. Wow, we're dumping, bro. Oh my god.
This is flushing, bro.
Holy shit.
Let me see real quick. We're like making a nice little move here.
Yeah, we're flushing right now, guys. If we lose this 90, then I don't know what Price wants to do. Holy shit, that was sharp.
What's going on, YM here? Let's see. YM ain't really doing shit.
Nah.
YM is just in his own world, huh? Not really doing much.
Bro, YM's daily candle today, bro. Oh my god. That shit was busting.
Pause. That was crazy.
YM was busting? Yeah, I guess pause.
That was crazy. I mean, it is set up nice though. Like the previous day's manipulation, if you see we close the bearish T2 from the 4-hour key level, especially on ES and on ES specifically. ES has been giving clean moves, man. Like compared to the Nasdaq and YM, I've been liking ES a lot lately. To be honest, it's been giving some nice moves.
I agree. If we hold this 90-minute at the lows and we close above 44.91.8, I'll long that.
See what's out here going. Yeah, so we're making a nice little move here.
210. If we close above this.
Let me see where you're looking. Let me pull up your chart real quick. Yeah, I was kind of looking at that as well. I want to see if we're going to commit to that continuation there. If we're going to commit to that reverse right there on NASDAQ, on GC. I definitely want to see. You're good. Those came in late. You're good. I already can hear that. You're good. Thank you. I definitely want to see silver kind of flip back here, right?
Yeah.
Definitely to the upside. Show some commitment here that this SMT at the low is definitely be a true SMT, right?
Mhm.
That's something I definitely would love to see here. If I'm going to take this flip back here. As of right now, to be honest, I mean, just from what it looks like, from what I'm seeing, like, yeah, we have kind of on like the highs that are being left here, right? With between silver and GC here at the highs. But as you can see here, we kind of formed a gap where silver kind of displaced away, right? When you kind of look in between, we had a S&P fill between the 2030 and 2000 highs, which is a bearish gap on overall on the silver, right? Where we can see that clean displacement follow through there. So we'd like to see if this is going to be just a manipulation lower support price higher, or if we are going to see some true commitment here. So right now we're seeing a nice little reaction here off the I keep saying that, like, oh my god, I could get away from this. Nice little reaction here off the GC here. So again, I like the flip and the commitment where we're showing on GC, especially we flip here, get that change and stay with the S&P at the lows. But we do need to see silver flip. For me personally, like if I'm going to like this and I'm looking into trades reversal back higher, I would definitely want to see some sort of commitment on silver to flip to the other side here.
Facts.
WF, what's going on, Captain? What are we at on the stream like, man? What are we looking like?
We better be at 100. At least. We better be at 100.
YouTube ads have been so bad lately.
Bro, I don't know why they're even giving me ads, because I shouldn't even be fucking monetized because I have music going in the background.
So far, I'm liking the way GC's looking at this volume here, man. I'm really liking the way GC's looking.
I'm not kidding. I'm getting ready to set limits here.
Yeah, I'm liking GC here myself.
I am getting ready for limits.
Yeah, I'm liking this.
Need that closure above 4491.8.
That's a nice closure.
Need that. Got 30 seconds. It is.
What's the 1 minute look like? 1 minute V shape as well. Not terrible. S&P at the lows. See 3 minute. 3 minutes looking terrible. Yeah, but I definitely want to see a nice little closure. I need to see a nice little strong closure personally.
I do need that. It has to close above 4491.4 or else I can't take the trade.
449. Yeah.
Alright, limits are in, guys. Limits are in. Or you market buy in, but my limits are in there. Stop would be at... Oh my god, it's gonna fucking bust.
Nice. Pause.
Pause. My limits are in here. My limits are in.
Or you put a stop loss swing lower, body low.
I'm going at 4482.5. I'm just looking for a 1 to 2 of those relative equals. I want
to over here a little bit, man.
Four.
I dumbass wasn't signed into my fucking...
Ah, dude, this thing is gonna fuck.
It's gonna rip. It's gonna rip.
It's gonna go without me.
I see the 1 minute look like. 1 minute is just going. I want to see definitely a little bit of pullback here. But I get a 3 minute closure, so hopefully this new 3 minute would give a nice little pullback here to the upside, personally.
Yeah. My limits are in, guys, so it's either it runs without me or I get my tag.
Where you going to limit at the OB?
At the OB. At 4491.8.
Gotcha. Got my limits a little bit more higher. I'd definitely say my limits over here at let me see here, 93.3. I have my limit. I just got tagged the person here.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in there. I'm in there with my stop at 4482.5.
I'm like, why can I see your chat fucking zoom out?
4482.5 and my TP is at 4510.3.
Yeah, those highs look pretty decent. If we can get silver commitment on this reversal here, that'll be very, very decent. Over here checking out indices as well, as far as what's going to be offered potentially. I mean, with the large move we made over here already on indices personally, I do think we see a 2200 consolidation because we already made such significant moves to the downside. Personally, and we already hit that previous day's low, right?
Yeah.
So we completed a universal internal to external sequence already, so it's just kind of one of those things where it's like, when you see such a large 1800 move, it is likely for price to offer some sort of new phase, whether that's consolidation or retracement. So definitely a little bit worrisome on seeing them. As far as taking Nasdaq, I don't think I'll probably take anything on indices tonight personally.
Yeah, I need to see silver react here. I need to see gold hold this. We need to see strong closures here on this 5 minute after the tag. I want to see realistically on my trades that I'm taking here, guys. Whenever I get that confirmation of that order block, I want to see a kiss and I want to see a go.
Mm-hmm.
I want to see the wick form at my entry and I want to see price accelerate away. I don't want to see too much of a stall here because if we get too much of a stall, that's probably going to lead to price doing some sort of fuck around. I want to see it speed.
Be internal obstacle.
It's not.
I don't know what you want, Chad. Listen, we love you.
It's not that
Enjoy
bad,
the stream,
guys.
bro. Enjoy the stream.
It's not that bad. Come on.
Enjoy the stream, B. Thank you for the signal, BMO. Wild shit, too. New 3 minutes open up here. See, again, we need to see some commitment from over here. Definitely on the flip here, we need some commitment from Silver.
I am a fan of how the that 5 minute candle opened from that new 9 o'clock. So I want to see from this point on. I want to see just continuations and bullish structure be set in. I want to see a good 5 minute candle closure here too, nothing too crazy.
That's a 5 minute one. I have to base off the little 3 minute one. Love to see nice little pop here in GC here.
There is a little 3 minute gap, but it is it's like a nice 3 minute breaker.
Mm-hmm. What is your stop loss? My stop loss is very tight. My stop loss is right now 87. It's pretty much the body lows. It's pretty much the body lows. Sum it up for you.
Not the best 5 minute candle closure there, but we'll see.
GC looking like he's about to tag into that 3 minute. Yo, chat, how's everybody? How you guys doing in the market this week? How's everybody doing? How you guys do today? You guys in the green, red? How you guys doing? Slightly red, to be honest. The question is, you recognize you're red, that's a good thing, but what did you learn from it, right? That's one of the biggest things, like, what's the lesson behind you being red, right? Because it's easy for us to say, like, oh, we're green or red, but, like, what do you learn from those red days? That's the biggest thing you have to learn, or you have to understand.
And are you
What's the lesson behind that?
Facts. And are you reviewing all the trades that you're taking? That's another thing. Is everything that you're taking aligning with the model that you said you would follow? Are you saying within your limitations? If that's so, and you're following and doing everything that you possibly can do, then that's still a W. You're just still in the developing phase.
Yeah, I had it's funny enough, I had someone reach out to me today talking about, you know, they're kind of doing everything, you know, they're kind of going through that phase where they pass evals, but they get they can't pass funded, right? They can't make it through a funded.
Can't get the payout.
Realistically, it's going to come with growth, right? Because even though you're not passing those funded stages, you're still refining each and every single time, and that's very important. As long as you're refining and you're improving yourself every single time, you're getting better every single time. That's all that matters. 100%, right? If you follow your rules, make sure you follow everything the right way, then you're just chilling at that point. You just gotta let time and consistency play its part. As long as you're doing everything right, you're chilling. How long did it take you to become profitable, bro? We were just talking about that last time.
It took
a minute.
Yeah, I mean, after learning ICT, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The only deterrence that'll stop you from actually becoming profitable is your own self and your own flaws, bro. I even made a tweet about this, dude. Like, you guys ask like, oh, how do I fix this? How do I fix that? How do I stop myself from over trading? How do I stop being impatient and getting off? Like, how do I get off of the charts? Like, the questions that you ask are literally like the answers are right there.
Mm-hmm.
The answers are right there. You're speaking the answers out loud. The only reason why you're consistently failing and running in circles is because you fail to make those small tweaks and those little mistakes that are just very, very hard to make. But if you just make those little tweaks, everything will get better. Everything will get better. Trust.
Like a cucumber, what? Hopefully 9:30 delivers to driver. Bro, what 9:30 driver are you talking about, man? Am I missing an important open at age of 9:30?
How's the 15's getting kind of smacked, and the 30 minutes still inside of this gap here.
Yeah, it's not really a good reaction, especially like we need to see like realistically, like for this to be fully committed to the upside, Silver has to show that follow through, right? That's definitely one of the biggest things, right? Especially with Silver putting in that manipulation. If that's going to be that SMG, we need to see Silver just show that commitment to the upside, which clearly is not, right? We see Silver displacing here to the downside, right? Kind of putting a new opposing run. So it's really not going to support, right? What we're looking for. Granted, clean position, but Silver is not committing here to support gold to the upside at this time. Now, granted, we are close to the launch over, so maybe we can see a re-manipulation to put in another stage diversion that will potentially send the price higher, but yeah.
It's just an echo because it's coming through my mic, guys. It's not that bad as you're making it sound. Damn. Am I watching NHL playoffs? I am not. I am personally not.
GC Tokyo Open was super consistent for a while. Lately, it's been, bro, you're bugging. Asia's session has been so good, bro. Asia's session has been great.
We also caught the banger yesterday on like the shorts on NQ. Yo, are you seeing this shit with Claude or Anthropic having a connection with Robinhood?
No, I didn't see that.
Bro. Or Agentic. Anybody see that, bro? Literally, you could just deposit money and have Claude trade for you.
That's interesting.
Pretty insane. Like, what a time to be alive, bro. Alright, well, I'm not gonna lie, there's nothing I can do about it, so I'm sorry. There's literally nothing that I can do about it. I can lower his volume a little bit. How about there? That'd be better. Would that be better? Brandon, talk.
Yo.
Is that a little better? Wait, hold on. Let me see. On OBS, turn off Discord sound. On OBS. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's see. What if I put on a headset? Let me see this. Hold on. What if I put on a headset? Let me try this. Let me do this. Wait, is that connected? BM talk. But then they can't hear you, can they? Dude, I am not good with this technology shit. It's not. Huh. Because you should be coming through my. Hold on, let me see. Guys, is the volume that unbearable when you hear Brandon speak? Because if it is, then he can get off call. But if not, if you guys can... Alright, we're about to get smoked on this. I'm seeing mixed signals here. No, it's like, I literally see it. It's not that bad. It's okay, it's not that bad. Copy. It's not even bad. Alright, I'm leaving it. Yeah, we're good, bro. I'm just leaving it. I guess it's something that I'll figure out later on, guys. I'll figure it out on another session. Get on my back. Boom, 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 boom. Gold is just playing with our hearts right now, huh? Yo, got back in. Bro, don't tell me you're closing the trade and then getting back in, bro. Don't be doing that, please. Just take the trade, have your hard stop, and that's it. Don't be like flip-flopping. That's how you'll get your accounts ruined, please. Don't do that. That's just pure emotional roller coaster trading. Don't do that. If you're going to get into a trade, trust your stop. Let it be. That's how it should be all the time. Don't be doing that, guys. You're that's a recipe for disaster, literally. Ow. Fuck. And, like, if you just close it, you got back in, now you're about to get fucked again. Because now I honestly think this is just going to get stopped out. I have no idea what this thing is doing. Like, you literally just, you closed it, you got back in because you saw a green candle, and now it's fucking dumping again. You just got bent. and now I'm just sitting here and I'm just like, okay, I just took one loss. All right, see?
Stop field.
I'm out there, but I only took one loss. That's fine. That is completely fine. If you're gonna get into a trade, just take the trade, put your stop in, and then let it rock. That's just how it should be. Yo. Oh wait, shit. Yo. Let's see, is this echo... Wait, hold on. Why can't I output? Yo.
Did you check metals?
Wait, hold on. They were... It's fine. It's fine. I mean, they said that the echo is bad, but... Yeah, we just tried to take a long on metals, and I was just scolding some people in chat because the second that they saw it go down, they close the position, and then they see one bullish candle and they get back in.
Dude, there was nice shorts actually at 8:30.
At 8:30?
At 8:30, yeah. We had S&P fill with gold. The reversal was asked for the continuation with these trades again.
Wait, where? Wait, are you talking about before?
I'm talking about 8:30 p.m.
And 8:30 p.m. So this short here.
Yeah, the range. Well, I'm not allowed to stream on my phone, but the range low because gold manipulated that low.
Oh, into the 4-hour gap.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You see that like low?
Wait, are you talking about this 1 minute?
You have a 5 minute actually. Yeah, I'm looking at. Look. You see yesterday's low at 10:30
Where are you talking about shorts at 8:30?
8:30 p.m. Okay. Yesterday's low at 10:30.
Dog.
A.m. Yeah.
8:30's here. 8:30's here. I think you're fried. Are you talking about? Are you talking about silver shorts? Did he take silver?
Silver, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, not gold.
Okay. Yeah.
Gold took those lows already, right?
Yeah. That I understand. That I understand.
Gave us price swing at 8:30, yeah.
That I understand.
The gap you can see too that we just had an S&P in.
Yeah, I understand that.
And shit's melting.
Sorry, I just woke up from my nap, so maybe I'm a little bit...
No, you're good.
What'd you take?
There was a 90-minute at the lows. We had that 5-minute closure on 9 o'clock candle here, and then I got in at the
On silver or gold?
on gold.
Yeah, I see that.
And it was in a 4-hour. We were in a 4-hour gap. I was anticipating it would have been much better if the hourly candle closes a PSP, and then it would have been a 2-stage. But we didn't get that. But it's fine.
Yeah, my eyes on that like weekly low, actually previous low.
This is yes, 100%. This low.
Yeah, because silver had like a whole bunch of lower resistance, bro.
I would have taken shorts on this if I had a better entry or some sort of better entry function. I didn't like the highs above. I didn't like it.
Are indices doing anything interesting or no?
No.
It just melted it, like right on open.
Yeah.
Yo, we're already down 300 points.
Yeah. We're getting smoked on indices, bro. Can Bitcoin continue to die too? Indices,
Yeah, look at the indices.
bro. Look at the hourly chart on indices. Hourly chart on indices got fucking wrecked.
I wonder if there's a sticker on YM.
I wonder what's gonna happen with NFP tomorrow.
Yeah, I might just.
I wonder what's gonna happen.
The weekly open on Nasdaq, bro, is flatlining.
I know, yeah. That volume imbalance actually could be the draw.
That definitely is a drop, but like all the other assets have repriced it.
Yeah, look at it. And it will be a run of a previous weekly low too.
Yeah. YM is super fucking high in the range though.
Yeah.
I think NFT's gonna take that weekly low on Nasdaq and then
I wouldn't be surprised.
They give a weekly wick though, so like we should be there tomorrow.
Oh yeah, for sure. Look at that shit, dude, and these relative equal lows too. Like literally, dude. It's probably echoing. Like low key, bro. If it just inverses this 4-hour gap, just fucking full port shorts down to this weekly gap.
Bro, I would love to see 50K on Bitcoin tomorrow on NFT.
That would be awesome.
I have a limit, by the way, to buy at 49,577.
I have limits at 49, and I have limits at 38.555.
Yeah, I mean, I have the lower limit, but yeah, it's a good draw. Yo, if we don't hold like 50K, I have no idea where this card's going.
Bro, if we don't, what? No, I have the 30. I have the 3 month chart or the quarterly, or what's it called? Yeah, 3 month. This 3 month gap.
Low,
yeah, this low.
The thing is, dude, that 38K gap is low key completely fucking irrelevant. Like, if we don't manipulate this swing, I mean, I guess the quarterly chart could close back in the range. Yeah, you're right.
Well, I just totally expect what's it called? Price to just kind of fuck around here, and like have like those Drake candle days, and then accumulate maybe one more, and then pump it.
Dude, if it doesn't pump off 50K,
if it doesn't pump up, I'm robbing a bank. Because I'm not even kidding. I'm literally putting $250,000 here.
Because my next draw then would be fucking 15K, which is.
I don't want to talk about that.
Yeah, that'd be insane. No, I think 50K would pump off Bitcoin.
If we go all the way down here, I would probably cry.
I don't have any other draw for Bitcoin. Also, I don't really trust like crypto as like. I don't know. I think you actually look at the fundamentals of crypto and then you compare with technicals, they don't add up, bro. Like, look at the Ethereum chart, bro.
I mean,
Like,
yeah, dude.
Dude, this shit looks like a device used for manipulation. Like, literally for wealth transfer. Look at the quarterly chart. Pull up Ethereum right now and look at the quarterly chart. You can't tell me there's no logic to long-term investing in crypto. I'm sorry.
No.
The Bitcoin chart looks a bit better, obviously, but you can't tell me when you look at this quarterly chart that you'd ever be like, yes, let's invest long-term in Bitcoin.
Ethereum, absolutely not.
It's actually it's literally, it definitionally serves to transfer massive amounts of wealth. Look at this shit.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
If you would bought Ethereum back in 2021 in January, you'd be breaking even right now.
Yeah, it's like looking at XRP.
I don't trust like crypto long-term value. Yeah, XRP is hilarious, dude.
XRP is the funniest one, dude.
Like compare the Bitcoin quarterly chart to the S&P quarterly chart, dude. Like look at the ES quarterly chart. Why would you ever put your money in Bitcoin over that? Seriously, like what? People are always telling me to invest in crypto, and I'm like, I genuinely don't understand what the value proposition of that is when you know the S&P quarterly is going to be out every single quarter. There's been like how many historical quarters have been down in the S&P? Like 10 in all of history?
Yeah.
There's been a single yearly like. No, there has been. There's been two actually. It was 2022 and 2018, right?
Bro, realistically, yeah, I really like this play down to these lows. If we like, if it loses that 4-hour gap, bro, that this thing is fucking toast.
Wait, what are you looking at?
I'm just looking at indices on a higher time frame. Like an S&P 500 too, like this just looks like it's just ready to give it up. All that S&P.
Yeah, it'd be really good if you look at the monthly chart. It'd be really nice to rebalance fucking last month's move.
Like this just looks like fucking full-blown death. It literally just looks like death.
We'll have to see. Let's see what happens this weekly open. I think it's really important. we had a swing put in, right, within the last month's candle, like a weekly swing, and May 18th, that week. So, if we don't hold the weekly open, then could be bearish for the rest of the quarter. There's only a month left in this quarter anyway, so 25 days. But you say you're bearish on indices like long term?
Long term, no.
No, yeah, look at this 3 month.
Absolutely not. I'm not bearish on this whatsoever. I think that we're just looking to set in the high of the yearly candle.
Oh,
But like,
really?
no. I don't think that we're setting it in now. I'm just thinking
Yeah.
that we're gonna set it in soon.
But you know I'm so bullish on this yearly candle, bro? Look how deep of a retracement we had to open the year.
Yeah, I know. It was fucking. It was beautiful.
Yeah, we have no gap, dude. We rebalanced that previous.
Bro,
that
this
way, right?
this was absolutely textbook. Literally, this Q1, like the first quarter, January, tags a 3-month gap, and then the next for April we expand.
Yo, remember I took that swing and I took the swing fucking short though, not long. I was a dumbass. I should have went long on my swing.
Yeah. Like this.
Shorted in, like,
This
I
is
shorted in, like,
literally
January
death, bro.
and closed out in March. I should have long.
Literally death.
This Bitcoin chart, man, is not looking too hot.
Fuck no.
Tomorrow we could definitely see like 60K.
Huh?
Yeah, by the end of this week we'll see 60K. Yo, maybe we should day trade Bitcoin. It actually looks so clean.
We should day trade Bitcoin, you think?
Honestly, the day ends is clean, bro. How's the S&P though? Ethereum just a meme, so.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's pretty clean, bro. Imagine if you were just like day trading every day. These candles aren't small.
No, they're not. It's fucking mental.
Do you own any long-term crypto?
Right now, no.
Bro, I had a student of mine that had like 7 figures liquid or 7 figures invested in crypto.
Yeah.
I like begged him, by the way. He was like up like $2 or $3 million because he was holding. He invested like 7 figures and he 3x his money essentially. So he was up like 3 to 5 million. And I begged him in like August or I mean maybe it was July or August of last year. I was like, yo, just take something off. Like Bitcoin's creating all-time highs. We just hit like 100K. Just take something. He's like, no, I'm actually gonna add more. He literally was just. He's one of those crypto guys who just like this. Like was so bullish, right?
Wait, he added where?
At like 110K, bro.
What the fuck is he doing?
Yeah, I know. I really severely hope that he like. At least he got out at like fucking break even. Because he bought so much at like 70 in the 70s, like in 2024, 2025.
Yeah.
He bought so much. He turned 1 million, bro. He bought like 7 figures kind of in like January, February of 2025. And then he like tripled his money, bro. It went from like 70K to like 120K, right? And he was doing it with like leveraged perps. Like he wasn't even doing it spot. So he made like so much from a bag. I don't know if I just hope he sold some.
Bro, that is sickening. That just hurt my stomach. Bitcoin is drawing to the yearly fair value gap from 2020 and to close the 2024 yearly fair value gap.
Yeah, I think this is just a massive rug pull. I wouldn't be surprised.
Who are you, Dan Pina? That guy? Bitcoin is going to 0. I mean, bro, realistically,
It honestly, yeah.
I don't.
I don't know this space well enough. I
Bro,
actually don't know crypto well enough.
I don't either. All I just know is that it's funny as fuck the fact that nobody knows who the fuck Satoshi Nakamoto is. Not a single person. Like it's just the dude's just non-existent.
I just think it's funny how people will literally like they'll call you dumb for not like people who call me dumb for not investing in Bitcoin. I find hilarious. I'm like, you could totally trade it honestly these days. It's liquid enough. But investing long term, like, what do you want me to do? Sit through 50% swings every year? Like, no.
I have no idea about that shit with anything with Bitcoin.
Yeah, this is like a perfect market maker sell model, by the way. Look at the weekly chart.
I know.
Look at the monthly chart.
I know,
Looks like-
bro. That's why I've literally been fucking I've been selling bag on that shit.
Yeah. I think it retested 50%. Yo, drag out that monthly FEG. You're on stream, right?
Yeah.
Drag out the monthly FEG from last year.
This
It was
one?
last October.
November, you mean?
Yeah, like that monthly FEG from October to December.
Yeah.
Look
What
at
it-
where we retested in May. We literally retested CE of it perfectly. And then add another gap, which is going to be this year's January gap.
Yeah.
They
It was
overlap,
a
like,
very, very
perfectly.
nice balanced price range, and it was a breaker as well on the monthly. Why do you think I
Holy
was
shit.
selling this, bro? This was the freest sell of all time. And look at the shorts, bro.
Imagine-
I took this
Imagine
shit,
you were
bro.
like a Powell trader and you just like sell
Dude,
that.
bro,
yeah,
this
like,
is the
350.
ETF. This is the ETF that follows Bitcoin. This is the same fucking thing. All I had to do was when price got into this monthly gap was fucking hammercock puts. And then boom, go to this monthly gap with the volume imbalance, short it down to fucking $35. That is exactly what I fucking did. Easy as fucking shit.
Yeah, we actually retested like perfectly that quarterly SysD.
Bro, a blind
Yo.
man could have saw this coming.
Let's see some standard deviations and see where we're going. Let's use Deeves off the monthly candle high.
Yo, who is talking in a tin can with a string attached? LOL.
Is that how I sound right now?
It's a fees, guys.
Did my mic sound that?
I think it's just the echo, I'm not gonna lie. It sounded the same with
Oh my god, dude, wait, that's actually fucking ridiculous. Look at the standard deviation, okay? Take your weekly fib, go to your weekly chart, draw your deviation from the weekly, from Monday, October 6th high to the low that's put in on, September 1st. See
Wait,
that range?
wait. October 6th to what?
Okay, so the weekly high, October 6th, right? You see that high?
You're just only mapping out that one swing high to low?
No, that high, and then put the fib low at Monday, the 1st September on the weekly. That entire range. Use that as your deviation.
September 22nd?
Yeah, let me just send you a picture of this one, like this,
How do you measure standard deviations?
like this. Here, here. Do this. Do you have this like your projections?
Yeah, I have
Do it
my
like that.
projections on. Oh, why are you doing that?
Because that's the entire. The other one's the failure swing. So that September 22nd is just a failure swing. for that
Oh
one.
yeah, 2.5 lands right at 60k.
Dude, look at where 2.5 is, and look at where the low is put in on February 2nd. Extend that line.
Look at where 4 standard deviations is projected out to.
I know, it's literally exactly where the original consolidation was.
Wow.
Wait, yo, extend out 2.5.
I know, it's
literally
right.
to the tick
It's
where we
it's
formed
literally
the low.
right at 60k.
Do you see that? It's literally to the tick where we formed the low.
Yeah, it's literally insane.
And what's the value? 59,765, right? That's the value you have?
I have 59,918.3.
No, your anchor should be 126,272.
I have the
and
anchor.
10 Okay, is it 126,272 the high?
Yeah.
And the low is 107,270?
10.
Use 107,270, that low from Monday, 1st September.
Yeah, I mean,
That's the
well,
actual-
actually, no. Our what's it called? You could be using a different broker.
Oh.
What are you using?
true. I'm using Bitstamp.
I think I'm using Binance.
If you use Bitstamp, go to Bitstamp and do it, you're gonna see 2.5.
Oh no, I'm
was-
not using Binance. What the fuck am I using? Go back. I believe you though. I believe you. I don't want to change my chart.
2.5 was the tick low of that weekly wick on February 2nd.
Oh, I believe you. Yeah, that shit was fucking nuts.
Wait, actually, this makes me so much more willing to say we're gonna go to 20K on Bitcoin.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I've been calling a 20K Bitcoin in October 2026 since last all-time high. That'd be scary.
That'd be nuts, bro.
That'd be scary, bro.
If we hit 20K on Bitcoin, that's nuts.
Michael Saylor would probably pop himself.
Yo, do you actually invest much in stocks?
Yes.
Okay, there's a company called MU, Micron Technology.
I have
Look at
literally,
this
yeah, bro. You want to see my position on Micron? Hold on, let me show you my
You,
position.
you own them?
Yeah, let me show you this shit. You're gonna fucking shit your pants. Look at this average price.
Oh, I'm gonna be so upset. You know why? I own. You know, when I first bought Micron, guess what the price was?
What?
I bought Micron in 2022 at an average share price of around $57.
Okay, never mind. I got my average price at 84.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, you should have bought way more. That's still crazy though.
You got.
Yo, I put
Chat.
$5,000. I put $5,000 in 2022 after I worked an internship at Tesla.
Here, wait, hold on.
Technology. Someone I worked with at Tesla was telling me about like money, and they were like, put some money into it. So I put $5,000, like my entire net worth essentially when I was a kid, into this at $50. And you know when I sold it?
Hold on. I'm gonna show chat. Fuck.
You know when I sold? Guess what the price was when I sold? I thought I was a genius.
That's my average, and my percent is up 800% right now.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. You really picked a good one.
I mean, I'm showing you on my phone. It's gonna be a little mirrored.
Dude, I sold at $150 and thought I was a fucking genius.
Yeah, no, I literally just whenever I invest into anything, bro, I just forget about it.
Dude, that's imagine you put like 100K into this.
I know, but I bought this years ago.
Yeah, you sat on it. We actually could have been fucking billionaires.
Yeah. So that's like,
Never
dude,
had
that's
to
like
work
ask that, dude. That's like if I was able to put 100K in those AMC options that I had, I would be able to buy the Earth. I would have made literally $50 million overnight in one day. Where do I get intel on individual stocks, Matt? It's literally my own research, if I'm being honest with you. Everything that I do on stocks is my own research. But also,
I also sold the bag so hard on Palantir. Dude, I wrote an investment thesis for Palantir in college in 2022 as well. I bought Palantir at like $20, and again I sold it like 80. I was like, I am so smart.
if I go to Palantir, bro.
That's just so heinous how I literally sold so many bags.
Bro,
Thinking I was smart.
stocks. This pattern on stocks, bro. An accumulation below an IPO low is somehow, some way, the most disgustingly cracked thing ever. Actually, hold on. Let me check one right now. Let me check Figma.
I love Figma.
Okay, this one's dead, actually.
Yeah, Figma got rug pulled. What the fuck?
Figma had the fattest IPO and then got absolutely destroyed.
Imagine buying Figma at $140.
I remember that IPO day.
Yeah, that wasn't very long ago. That was last year.
ICT said Bitcoin will go to 0. Yeah. Guys, I literally used to have a Discord where I used to alert options trades. That's how, like, Sniper came about.
Yeah, I used to be in one of those Discord servers and I lost all my money. Trading options.
That's all I used to do, bro. I literally had my TOS terminal watching the level 2, scalping the opening of 1-minute candles. A big chart that I used to play Boeing all the time. Boeing used to be like my bread and butter.
Y'all remember like SPX zero DTEs?
No, I wasn't that fucking psycho.
I was.
I do those occasionally now.
Really?
Yeah.
That's just pure gambling.
No.
Oh yeah. Zero DTE SPX. Yeah.
All you need to do, bro, is literally for those if you get on side of a move and like price reaches into like an hourly or 4 hour gap and you know that price is going to have that open low high close and all we're doing is we're tracing having an accumulation stage or reaccumulation stage of a market maker buy model, buying options calls at those gap tags is borderline free money.
Honestly, now that I think about it, with my current knowledge of trading, bro, if I traded options, I'd actually be fucking mad.
I am being so dead ass. Think about this right now. How often are you wrong on where price is going to go on a daily chart?
Almost. Yeah, very rarely.
So if you bring that logic, especially in trending markets, bro.
Yeah, it's true.
All you need to do is literally wait for the proper time. Take those fucking zero DTs when price reaches into an intermediate term time frame key level. Slam some call or put options, and you will print. Because those options can literally.
Most times when you get most times it's fused, the only reason you get stopped out just because like your stop losses are pretty tight because you're trading lower time frame models and you have to have pretty tight risk. But with options, it's a little bit more forgiving, yeah.
Yeah, it is, and all you need to do is like, okay, cool, the fair value gap got invalidated, we inversed it, boom, okay, the idea is gone.
Yo, maybe I'll just start trading options.
It's just like you're one managing your trade position on your accounts, and then two, then you have to go on your terminal or your phone, whatever it is, try and get a fill price that's proper on an options contract, and then go.
Yo, you gonna look for silver shorts again to the low?
No, I'm just I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm just gonna hang out. But I mean, if anybody wants to,
I think we're too deep in the range, anyways. It doesn't even fucking matter.
Yeah, I think that it's probably gonna end up going down to the previous weekly low. Because, I mean...
Dude, tomorrow NFP, though, will be good. I think tomorrow will be fire. Actually, NFP hasn't been doing anything, by the way.
I know, I don't
think
think
do anything.
Yeah, high impact news is pretty duddy. Do you still have that Discord? No, dude, that Discord closed a while ago. I just, if I have options plays, I'll just alert it in my Discord. Ecstasy.
Yo, you know who's actually the most raw options trader? You actually know who it is for sure.
Who?
Dude, it's fucking Yusuf, man. This guy makes 7 figures in options every single year. You've seen him, right?
Yeah, he's filthy.
He's filthy. Like, he was talking to T, like, he was giving T some, like, options, like, plays, and T was like, this guy's absolutely fucking disgusting at options. We don't even know how he does it, bro. He's just so, like, he's just so good at trading options.
What does he trade on? I want to know that.
Go on, Rob.
And he uses it on his desktop. Like, what does he use? Like, level 2? Like how does he read the tape?
He did an internship at Bridgewater, so he got some alpha that he's not allowed to tell. He actually legitimately can't tell people how he trades. Like, I tried to get him to, like, do a course for my Discord, like do a course on options. He's like, low-key, I actually can't, because I signed, like, an NDA at Bridgewater.
Damn.
But isn't that insane? This guy's... He always gives me, like, personal things for options, and I was like, alright, cool.
Yeah, that's just crack.
It's just insane, bro. I think he has an inside market maker, Loki. I think he just has a friend at Bridgewater who, like, or someone Intel at Bridgewater who just gives him signals.
Wouldn't be surprised.
The returns he puts up are just absolutely insane.
Yeah. Bum, bum, bum.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna go walk my dog. I'll talk to you tomorrow, right?
Alright, be safe, bro.
Alright.
Bro, D-Book, I'm not even kidding, dude. I literally have alerts on my calendar for December and January of 2027 buying crypto. Those 2 months, end of the year and the start of the new year, buy crypto. Literally got them all. Bro, Brandon, bro, TOS is my fucking shit, bro. I can literally hold on. Let me go back. I gotta show you guys my my Snapchat memories. Holy shit! Look at this. Where is this? 7 years ago was when I started my first ever business. Ugh. Where is this shit? This was all the way back in 2020. Show you my options terminal. Look at this shit. Look at this is 2020, bro. Look at my chart. This is what my shit looked like, bro. That was December 2020. What else do I got here? I got some other shit. Anybody else have any other questions that they want to go over? Anybody else? Wow. You know what my name was too? My name was in my Discord. It was Jordan Belfort. I was hosting Discord calls and everything. God, what a time to be alive, bro. Oh, the indicator, it's called the power of 3 by 2 degrees. I gotta find some stuff. I think the bottom will come in the first 2 weeks, October. Yeah, I like that. I like that, D-Book. I like that. I like that idea, my friend. You're thinking smart. You are thinking very smart, my guy. Very smart. You think NASDAQ's bottom is in? That drop off was kind of crazy. That 755 level is right here. The 2.5 standard deviations from the Asia range. Butch trades. 7550 lands right at the 2.5 from the defining range of Asia. Oh yeah, and weekly sequential as well. You're right. You're right, brother. We're just chilling right now, brother. We're just watching to see what's going on with price, kind of getting an idea as to what's going to happen for NFP tomorrow. Brandon. That's fire, bro. Nice. Sequential SMT is SMT divergence between candles of consecutive quarters, and regular SMT can be from any swing point. Don't touch that dial. Don't touch that dial. Bum, 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 bum. Mm-mm. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-ba. Do 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 do. Who plans on doing one shot, one kill on NFB tomorrow? Velo or Zin? There you got it, brother. There you got it. Don't touch that dial. No. Typically I'll wait for after NFP comes in, and I will trade like I'll trade after NFP comes in, but I'm always gonna wait for 9:30 personally, but utilizing like the highs or lows of whatever side sets in for NFP, and I'll typically, like, if we sweep out one side of the range of the high, then I'll target the low. If we sweep out the low, I'll target the high of NFP, so on and so forth. NQ's 6-hour candle as to how this is going to close is going to be interesting. Wonder how that's going to go. I don't kiss my cup. My take on SpaceX. Do you know when that's IPOing, or when they're dropping that? I don't know too much about it. I typically like to wait for price to like settle a little bit after an IPO, and then I'll trade it. It's kind of like how Figma was, how Coinbase was when it IPO'd, how Snap was, how Robinhood was. I always typically wait. What do I think about the fight? I don't know. I just think it's all engagement farming, bro. I don't really pay too much attention to it. I just do my own thing, bro. I do my own thing, I worry about myself, and that's really about it. You're the lady. YMO on some crack shit is right, bro. YMO on some nut shit. Would you buy the weekly sequential at the lows? That would have been, yeah, that would have been like a 1 to fucking 50, bro. I like Lucid better than Tradeify. Tradeify select accounts are very good, but you can do Lucid's overall. Overall, Lucid's a great prop. Here we go to LA. All right, guys, we got 248 people watching right now. I want to have 150 likes, and then I'll do a giveaway of some accounts. 150 likes, and you have to be subscribed, and then we can do some giveaways, some accounts. I'll give it 5 minutes for us to get to 150. So if you use code SNIPER, you'll get 40% off with Tradeify accounts, 50% off with Lucid, and 90% off with Apex. I don't trade my funded futures, bro. But they are good, from what I've heard. From what I've heard. You're banned from my funded futures, bro? I'm gonna use a different site for giveaway. YouTube comment giveaway. All right, I got a new site that I'm using. Let's see if this works. Why? Alright, I gotta find a better one. YouTube. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, I need to have the personal plan. Tonight. No. Okay. Alright, all these fucking links seem ridiculous. I'm just going to the regular one. Need 10 more likes. 10 more likes. Ten more likes. And then we can run the giveaway. Yeah, yo, I saw, bro. They came out with Polymarket Prop Firm. Prediction Markets Prop Firm. Alright, we got 153 likes now. That's a gambling addict's dream. That's a gambling addict's dream, bro. Imagine getting a prop firm for gambling. That's wild. I mean, this is gambling in a way, but... Alright, guys. Let's get spams of Sniper in the chat. Get some comments loaded. I'm gonna pick winners. 3 people for some accounts. You could either full port them on NFP, or you can do whatever. Trade them regularly. It doesn't matter to me. Whatever you want. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat. All right, let's load these comments. Cool. I'm seeing them all. Let's load it again. Let me go back one more time and load. Okay. Continue. Bang. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Confirm. All right. Boom. All right. All right, so Scoob Harden and Justin T9678 and Chris K8113. These are the winners of the giveaway. These are the winners of the giveaway. Put a message in the free Discord and I will send you your accounts. Screenshotting this, sending it here. Winners, DM, winners, reply. Ba-boom. But we have, what's it called? NFP at 8:30. If you're not doing one shot, one kill for NFP, also the winners, make sure you're sending messages in the public chat. In the public chat of my Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the YouTube. Click, join that. If you can't join that, DM me on Instagram. But click the link from the Discord description. But if you're doing the full port of the accounts, make sure that you guys are doing it on accounts that you can risk. Like, the money doesn't matter. Outside of that, wait for equities open to come into play. If one side of NFP data lows is hit, target the opposing side. If the other side is hit, target the data low. There you go. That's literally all you need to do for NFP. It's pretty simple, easy process. But that is how I'm going to be operating. But for the winners, I will DM you guys. Make sure you just send a message and I will reply. But yeah, I hope you guys all have a great rest of your night. And hopefully NFP. All right, I'll explain it again. If you're not full porting accounts, wait for 9:30 to come into play. Pay attention to the NFP low and the high that is set in. If price runs NFP lows, target the NFP data high. If NFP highs is ran after the release, target the opposing data low. Wait for one side of the range to get ran and then target the opposing side. That's how you should trade NFP. And at best scenario, an SMT is created at the low or the high. But use that logic moving into tomorrow. Hopefully you guys do well, close off the week strong. And yeah, take care, y'all. Be safe. And it was great with these Asia streams tonight. Take care, y'all. We'll be back again next week for more Asia. Deuces, y'all.